Welcome to myself and the zero subscribers out there. This is my first video in this YouTube channel. The title says it all, doesn't it? The mandatory first YouTube video. If you ask me why YouTube, well, to answer that question, I have absolutely no answers. But as a matter of fact, this I feel is a lot better than looking down at your phone, looking down at a slab of pixels, scrolling down all day, and absolutely doing nothing. People say YouTube is creative, so why not give a hand at it? Alright, it's just 39 seconds, and I still need to find at least another 4 or 5 minutes to talk. Let me introduce myself. This is my first time in front of a camera, guys, by the way. This is my first time in front of a camera. This is a smartphone camera. No DSLRs, no YouTube studio out here. Let me keep it raw. I wish I could bring a DSLR. I wish I could bring in a landscape view. I wish I could do it like a Dave Lee or an MKBHD. But let me try this as well, because this is how people start and this is how I start. Being an average middle class Indian, this is what you get, absolute zero investment, because this phone was gifted to me by my aunt. So do something with what you got. Let me introduce myself. Who am I? Well, to answer that question, of course I am who I am. I am a product analyst working in a startup with 9 months of experience. A Pakka Indian BTech graduate, 4 years of engineering studies, dropped straight out of college, campus placements, got into a company, working with a laptop in front of me. Well, the job is, let me admit this on camera, the job is monotonous. Now, don't get me wrong here, it's very interesting. I enjoy what I do. I kind of build things, but on the creative side, what am I doing? I'm absolutely doing nothing. Maybe, which is why I'm here doing this. I know there are a lot of fillers coming over here. I know I'm searching for words, but this is my first YouTube video. Please bear with me. There's a lot of room for improvement. I can speak well. You know I'm speaking well. So that is it, guys. It's 2 minutes 45 seconds as of now. What should I need to find a lot of content, by the way. This is not sufficient. Let me see. Let me find something. Okay, why this channel? Let me say this channel would be a documentary, a diary to reflect on myself, to speak on things, to speak on myself, to speak on anything, to speak on something. At least do something, because I am doing something at the end of the day. So let me keep this as a diary, a documentary, or I'm searching for words. I absolutely no words other than this. A personal reflection, I would say, as a channel. See what I'm doing and go ahead. What next? Because if I do this, let me say, guys, if I do this at the end of the day, I am happy that I did something other than what I was supposed to do, because I am being a robot who wakes up early in the morning, sits in front of his laptop, stares at the screen, keeps typing, go to sleep. Take his smartphone, keep scrolling, go to sleep. Come weekends, there is a lockdown outgoing here, and of course I need to keep myself safe, so stay at your home. Keep scrolling through your phone, end the day. So this habit is rotting myself, it's rotting my hand, it's rotting my brain, and I am doing nothing. I am supposed to do something. I have the urge to do something, but I can't do it. So which is why a channel would help, a channel would suffice. I know there are lots of breakdowns over here. I'm not speaking well, I'm not taking it continuously. YouTubers speak I won't call it fluently. They do speak fluently, by the way. But YouTubers have a flow of speaking, right? They speak like water, they speak like waves. This is my first video, so this is how I am. There's a lot of room for improvement. Let me go ahead, work on this, work on this, work on this, and let me be a YouTuber just like anyone else out there, and perform well. Let me pledge something that I will make a YouTube video every day for the next 30 days. So 30 days from now, starting from today, day 1, till day 30, a video every day to do a good thing. Now, if you ask me why this, thing number 1, this will better my discipline. This will bring me into a timetable. This will schedule my day, and I would do something every day. Other than my work, other than spending time with my family, this is something where I can reflect on myself, I can speak to myself, and a regular day will bring in more and more discipline to me. And the second most important thing in my life, I would say I must, and I should step out of procrastination. You know what procrastination is, right? Postponing things, postponing things, postponing things. The idea of starting a YouTube channel was way back in, I would say way back 9 to 10 months ago. 9 to 10 months back, I had this idea. But this is the day where I'm starting a YouTube channel. All you need is a camera to start a YouTube channel. Not a camera, all you need is a smartphone. Or even a feature phone would do that. So that is it, guys. There is no kind, so there are no guys for that matter. So that is it, myself. To my subscribers, it's still 0. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.